Hello, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take the MCQs of Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 3, 4 and 5. Scene 3. Where does Scene 3 take place? A street in Venice outside Shylock's house. Who all are there? Shylock, Antonio, Salerno and the jailer. What does Shylock say to the jailer? Be careful about Antonio and be very strict with him. What is the mood of the Shylock? Shylock is very angry. As Antonio called Shylock dog, what should he be beware of? He should be beware of Shylock's fangs. Fangs means teeth. What did Salerno call Shylock? And the most impenetrable cur. Who is hopeful that the Duke will not grant the forfeiture to hold? Salerno. Why did Antonio lose all hope? The Duke cannot prevent the law from taking its own course. What is the course of law of Venice? The privileges which the foreigners enjoy in Venice should be maintained. What will happen if the justice is denied to Shylock? It will damage the reputation of Venice for impartial justice and affect the trade and profit of Venice. I will follow him no more with bootless prayers. Who said this? Antonio said this. What does this statement mean? I shall not go after Shylock with meaningless requests. He seeks my life. His reason, well, I know. What is the reason? On many occasions, Antonio has paid the debts of many people and saved them from the clutches of Shylock. Who is the bloody creditor? Shylock is the bloody creditor because he wants to shed the blood of Antonio. What is Antonio's prayer? Antonio prays that Bassanio may be present when Shylock claims his debt. That's all from Scene 3. Now let's discuss Scene 4. Scene 4. Where does the scene take place? Belmont, a room in Portia's house. Who all are there when the scene begins? Portia, Nerissa and Lorenzo. How true a gentleman, you see, send relief. How dear a lover of my lord your husband. I know you would be prouder of the work than customary bounty can enforce you. Who is the speaker? Lorenzo. What is the situation? Portia has sent Bassanio and Gratiano to help Antonio. Why should she be prouder? If she comes to know about the greatness of Antonio, she feels proud. Who is the true gentleman? Antonio. Why does Portia feel that Antonio is similar to Bassanio in nature? She believes that people who love each other and spend time together must have many traits in common. What responsibility does Portia entrust Lorenzo? She asks Lorenzo and Jessica to look after her house till she returns. Why does she give the responsibility to Lorenzo? She tells Lorenzo that Nerissa and herself will remain in prayer in a nearby monastery until their husbands return. Whom does she speak after Lorenzo left? Balthazar, her sincere servant. What was the responsibility given to Balthazar? She asked Balthazar to go to Padua and get the lawyer's clothes and notes from her cousin Dr. Bellerio. Where should Balthazar meet Portia? Balthazar should meet Portia at the common ferry that goes to Venice and use all the endure of a man in speed to Padua. What does Portia mean? She tells Balthazar to go to Padua as fast as a man can. What is Portia's plan? She wants to disguise herself as a lawyer and Nerissa as her clerk to go to Venice and help Antonio. What is the wager? Wager means bet put forward by Portia. Portia will be prettier when they disguise. How well they speak when in disguise? They speak between the change of man and boy with a reed voice. How will Portia walk when in disguise? They will turn two mincing steps into a manly stride. How will she brag like a youth? She will speak of a phrase. Phrase means fights. What lie will she tell? Honorable ladies sought his love, and when denied, they fell sick and died. How many lies will she tell? 20 lies. How many raw tricks will she play? 1,000 raw tricks. What does bragging jacks mean? Boastful young men. When shall Portia disclose all her plans in detail? She will tell all her plans when they sit in the coach. How many miles should they cover that day? 20 miles. That's all from scene 4. Where does scene 5 take place? Scene 5 takes place in Portia's garden in Belmont. Who all are present when the scene begins? Jessica and Lancelot. Who is Lancelot? Lancelot is a clown. What does Lancelot tell Jessica? Children are punished for the sins of their fathers. Why does Lancelot tell Jessica as a joke to be of good cheer? Jessica will be damned. How does Jessica contradict Lancelot? Lancelot's statement. She is saved by her husband by making her a Christian. What blame is there on Lorenzo? By converting Jessica into Christianity, and the number of Christians will increase, resulting in rise of price of pork. Why does Lorenzo become jealous of Lancelot? Lorenzo will be jealous for taking his wife into corners. Corners means talk secretly to his wife. What did Lorenzo tell Lancelot to do? Tell the servants to get the dinner ready. What did Lorenzo call Lancelot? A wit snapper. What is Jessica's opinion about Portia? Words cannot express Portia's virtue and nobility of character. What does Jessica mean by saying, and if on earth he do not mean it, then in reason he should never come to heaven? As Bassanio gets virtuous Portia as his wife, he should enjoy a heavenly life on earth by leading an upright life, or he has no chance to go to heaven. What is the parable given by Jessica to say that no woman can be compared to Portia? If two gods in heaven gamble, keeping two women as stake, and if one is Portia, some extra value should be added to the other woman to equalize with Portia. How does Lorenzo compare himself to Portia? As Portia is a good wife to Bassanio, Lorenzo is a good husband to Jessica. Does Jessica express her opinion about her husband? No, Jessica will tell her opinion about her husband at dinner. That's all. All the 3 scenes, scene 3, 4 and 5 are covered. Please study well and write the exam very nicely. God bless you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.